so funny.
That is funny.
So I wanted to tell you, Marianne, that I had some severe gut issues, and I worked with a nutritionist for 1.5 years, and I really wasn't successful in resolving my gut issues. So I was pretty discouraged. Fortunately, it was covered by insurance because it was doctor recommended.
Yeah.
But then I came here. Dr. Lynn recommended that we come here, have a cooking class with you, and we keep showing up nearly every week. Every time you have something to offer. And after 1.5 years of working with a certified nutritionist and not being successful, and now here spending time with you and listening to you and taking notes and eating your food, I feel so much
I
better.
love that.
And I feel like it's your ministry
Thank you.
in life to help people like me. And then I bring this guy here because he loves your food. And then on the way home,
You're eating things you normally don't care for, I think, right?
Well, I haven't had anything I didn't care for.
Oh,
It's all
yeah.
delicious.
each time we come on the way home, we talk about how good we feel.
I love that.
And Keith wants me to make your recipes at home. So we've tried many of them. In fact, he's made a comment that maybe he's gotten a little too much fiber. Maybe needs to slow that train down just a little bit.
Oh, that's a good thing. That's awesome. I love it.
And
I
then
love
you
it.
also mentioned something tonight. You said nothing tastes as good as healthy feels. And that struck a chord with me
good.
because I have felt so much better. And I've tried so hard, and yes, you know, I've fallen into the fat, salt, and sugar trap also, but for the most part, I've always been a pretty healthy eater. And so you just make it so easy.
Thank you. I
Putting
love
all the things together.
it. Thank you. Bam. Thanks for sharing. I love that. Thanks, Vickie and Keith. You're such a joy to have. Makes me feel good when you walk in the room. Mike,
Thanks.
too.
Thanks.
Everybody.